shot the one I wanted to shoot. Ass.
Alright, here I go again. Maybe this time I'll actually hit something.
Go for it, Mommy! Go for it, Mommy! That's a good choice.
Oh my god, I actually hit it! Holy shit! Go!
Kara? Over here, Kara.
Of course I couldn't hit it again. Leave it up to me. One hit wonder.
Good job, Mommy.
Is this on video?
Yes, I've got it on video.
What about me? You skipped me.
Have to reload. For John to play.
Idea. Christmas.